All right, here goes!
風の顔張って静かは糸を伝ってゲット目を覚ましてをゲッダウンもう間もなく願いを文字に起こして自信に乗ってその身にまとった頃曇りなく全てを振り払うように叶えよう約束通りひび割れた世界Let's die this song, even I cannot cut this song. All I need is getting strong. We can catch the game. 負けないでよ、目に映った全てをほら味方に変えて We can catch the game. 照らし出すよ、想像通りその影は見ないで We can catch the game.
Oh, good morning, Tails.
Good morning, Sonic. What brings you here?
I'm here for the Emerald Radar, so me, Shadow, Silver, and Knuckles can find the remaining few emeralds. Have you seen it?
Check the upper cabinet. You may find it there.
Thanks, best buddy. By the way, how's your inventions doing?
They're doing good, Sonic. I'm just working on one right now. And... wait, what's that smell?
I don't know. It's not coming from in here. It's coming from Angel Island.
Oh my god! What the hell happened here?
I don't know, but whoever did this is going to feel my wrath.
Oh, so you do care for this island. But what I'm after is something much important, you damn hedgehog.
What the? Who's there?
I think you know who I am.
Oh my god! Who the hell are you?
You're in game.
Alright, stand to attention, Windshacks. We know we've been worried about Marking Galaxy ever since Courtney told us that a Hydrowind is on the attack, but he's been watching. But we just feared that another Hydrowind might be coming after us, but not just a Hydrowind. The other winds might be still out there to get revenge and kill us too. Got that, guys? This is all I have to say for this occasion.
Yes, sir. But Tails, we are outnumbered against the other winds. So how are we going to face against the others? We're going to need a lot of backup in order to win.
I was hoping you would say that, Levi. So, while I was checking the attic, I found a collection of drones and a computer that controls them all. So I'm going to need one of you to control these drones by using the computer, while the rest of us go outside and look for recruits for the new Windshack Warriors.
Oh, I see. In that case, I volunteer to do it. 'Cause there might be old friends that might contact us. Alright, then the rest of us will go out and search for new recruits.
Okay, I guess all of us is on the same page. Alright, all Windshacks, advance! Man, it's been a few hours and so far not one recruit. I feel like I'm running around in circles a lot. But if I can't find anyone, we can't even go against the Hydroids. Man, I feel like Stephen Curry who doesn't even know how to get some shots on. I can't even give up. Right now, I gotta find everybody. Unless it's gonna...
Well. Is it my old friend Kaze Nightwind? How's it going, man?
Oh, I recognize that robotic voice anywhere.
Yep, it's me. And with me is Kena Starcomet.
Sup, Nightwind? We meet again.
Sals and Kana! I never thought I had to see you guys again. But what are you guys doing here, and how did you guys find me?
Hello? I'm an artificial intelligence, remember? That means I can find you and the others that quickly. And what we're doing in the city, we're looking for you guys.
Besides, we heard your situation, and we're here to help you out.
Yeah, we needed you too. With Kana's katana skills and Sal's intelligence, we're much stronger in the wind shacks. So follow me. We're heading to my home.
I can't believe the city is goddamn big. I wonder. I haven't been to this place ever since my first mission. And with...
Oh my god! Levi! It's really you!
Holy crap. Holy crap, Mika. You didn't have to tackle hug me all the way on the street and cause a traffic jam. But it's good to see you again and you're hugging me still.
I can't help it. I really miss you and the other shack so much. I really miss you, Levi.
Aw, I know you miss me so much. But right now, let's head back to the house.
Hold on, Levi. I'm not alone. Slasher and Cosmo is with me on the other side of the street. So we're gonna help you guys out.
Alright. Then let's get them and then head back to the house immediately.
Black, go get the door. Someone's there.
H&M, it's probably Princess. So let's go get it together. It's about time, you stupid. Wait, you're not Princess.
Apologies. Princess is not gonna be present, so I'm gonna be taken in charge. And if you guys don't know who I am the third prince of the Hydroid Kingdom. My name is Link Hydroid, and my element is Poison Ivy. And I'm going to make sure that you all won't defy me. Understand?
Yes, sir.
I also fix your guitar earrings Black and Samasu.
That's amazing. Now we can fuse them and fuse as much as we want against those damn mortals.
Speaking of us, where's that yellow hedgehog with the jewels around his body?
Oh, you're talking about Steve. Let's just say he's playing a game called Revenge and Kill the Mobile Gods.
Finally, I am back at Azteca. The time has come. Prepare for justice!
The reason why I called you all in this meeting again is because you guys did well. You guys did well to find everybody else. And also, Mika, Siles, and Kana. I would like you to meet Courtney the Angel Hog. She helped me during my time in the Elemental Islands. So, introduce.
It's nice meeting you, Courtney.
Same to you all. I hope we all get along.
I'm glad we all get to get along, including Cosmo and Slasher, since they're also a part of our shacks too. But listen here, everybody. Getting new recruits is just the beginning of our organization known as the Wind Shacks. We're all OCs and we're all warriors. We're gonna face against the Hydroid Kingdom and win this war against them for good.
Yeah, Kaze. But also, me, Courtney, and Levi has a curious question for you, Kaze. And we want you to be honest.
Alright, sure. Axe away.
What are the 6 Wind Kingdoms? And what is this Wind War?
Then I guess it's best I can't hide it forever. Alright, guys. I think it's best I talk to you about me and Nathan's past. It happened a long time ago, before all of us were born. A young mage with the power of creation, aka wind power, used its power to create the entire universe and everything. With unlimited power, he can do anything. But then, 90 years later, that young man was about to die in his old age. In his last words and his last requests, he decided to split his power into fragments. Then he split the fragments into 6, known as the 6 Wind Kingdoms as for today. As for the 6 winds, I'll explain it to you in quote. Within the night winds represents the moon and darkness. Within the light winds represents the light and the sun. Within the vamp winds represents the vampire and the blood. Within the ghost winds represents death and the phantom allure. Within the storm winds represents Mother Nature and destruction. But within the Hydra winds resides a demon that destroys everything. As for what happened to the other winds, it takes place after the Nightwind world was destroyed by Confident Crystal Kura. After Confident Crystal Kura destroyed my world, the other winds realized that Confident might be going after all of them too. So their worlds separated into different solar systems of the galaxy. Then, the Hydra ones wanted to get that much power ever since Confident was killed. But since Confident is killed and the worlds are back to normal, now the Hydroids are going to destroy everything in sight.
Oh my god. So that's why you guys are on Earth. Because of Confident and the Hydroids. Is that correct?
Yes, the Hydroids and Confident ruin all of our lives. The separation of the 6 winds, the destruction of my home world, Nathan bowing down to Jakakure. It's all of their doing. But now, they may have won this round, but we're gonna strike back.
Power trip! Power trip!
Oh yeah, I really got a bad feeling about this silver. You're right, Peter. If that hedgehog is who I think it is, it can't be good. It's seen that crazy monkey around his neck. And we're the only ones who can stop him.
Alright. I'll talk to you later. Late bye. It seemed that Princess Vivica managed to dig the order that I asked her to. But, now that I have this woman here, now we can get right to the point. Now, you're gonna tell us everything you need to know about your kingdom, Princess of the Light Winds. Or should I say, Man of the Dark.